So, now that we know the motor starts, I did start it off camera. It sounds rough. But, I want to give you guys a walk around of how dirty the interior is. Look at this. Cigarette ash. Bunch of dirt. The seats are rough. There's no headrest. That's kind of odd. Very dirty. All so dirty. 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 Very dirty. Very dirty. I don't know why the passenger seat's dirtier than the driver's. It's kind of gross, to be honest. Dash is kind of dirty. I don't know what I'll do about the airbags. I probably won't do jack shit, to be honest. I gotta fix that door panel thing. Coming around back. Very fucking dirty. Especially that. This is... I don't even know what that is. It's like hardened on there. Seat's not too bad. Seat's pretty alright. Floors back here aren't too bad, but that passenger seat, the back seat, I don't know why that panel's missing. I don't know what I'll do about that. Probably jack shit. It's not too bad because this is here, but I think I'm gonna give it a good cleaning. That's what it used to look like. I'm gonna use as basic shit as it gets. I got a shop vac and I got some cleaning supplies. The basic of basic shit. I don't have any of that fancy shit, so I'm gonna try it with some like TurtleWax spray cleaner, shop vac, and see if I can get that to go from absolutely filthy to nice and clean. And hopefully I can get it to stop smelling too. Dang, dude. I wish the other side cleaned up as nice as this. Dang, that looks clean. There's a bit of dirt right there, up there, yeah. That black area. But that's not too bad. This one just where the foot's been rubbing against whenever you rest the gas pedal. This is all stuck down there, but this side did not clean up as nice as this side. I think that, I don't know, it's like someone's been putting cigarettes out there. And then that area is just so bad, but the center area looks pretty good. But I tried to clean the seat too, but I need like an extractor or something, man. I'm literally just doing this with a bunch of Interior 1 and Power Out carpet remover and some microfibers, and that's about it. But I don't know. It's yeah, this side cleaned up extremely nice though, so I'm kind of impressed. Stopped cleaning today to put up my sides. Got them all put up on this side. We still got to do the back, so we kind of hung a tarp for the moment. But all I got done was just still the two front seats. I mean, it's clean-ish, if you can call it that. This floor is a little clean, but a nice vacuum. Man, that seat is bad. Yeah, I'm not a really car cleaning person. I don't really know how to clean seats without an extractor. I'm trying to do this with all basic stuff, and apparently it's supposed to snow tomorrow. So it's already cold. The driver's side floorboard came out great. Way better. Still kind of dirty, but it's way better than it was. And then I would tomorrow vacuum all of this out, start cleaning this, but I don't know. It's bad. So if it's gonna snow tomorrow, probably not. But if it's gonna stay nice, it's a better year season. It's gonna stay nice. I mean, if today's not nice, today's like 40 degrees, but hopefully clean it out. And then I still haven't decided if this front end is worth saving at all. I don't know. I ain't been doing much because it snowed earlier today. Now it's starting to rain again, which is great. Went from 70 to 50 to 30, and tomorrow it's going to be 70, but I don't know about you guys, but I don't think this carpet's savable. I've went through almost all of this Power Out carpet, And the smell's gone, which is great. And I went through almost all my interior one. My knees are filthy from kneeing in the mud. But this guy isn't going anywhere, and I'm fairly positive that shit. I don't know what the fuck kind of shit it was. Taco Bell shit. Or what. But right as I started spraying that stuff on it, it started bubbling over. And while I'm sitting there scrubbing it, I'm like, oh my god, this smells like cow shit. You know, someone who lives next to fucking cows, I know what cow shit smells like, and it smells worse than cow shit. And thinking about it, it fucking makes me want to fucking throw up. Great, but this carpet, however, turned out relatively okay. The seats are still, I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna clean those. I haven't cleaned the center area. But that carpet turned out okay. The driver's side turned out okay. And I redid this carpet. And it didn't really turn out much better. But I need like an extractor or something. As I said, I'm a mechanic. Not a fucking car cleaning specialist. I just got some TurtleWax shit in the Armor All vacuum. But I'm doing my best to clean it. And oh my god. The smell was... Dude, the smell of whatever that shit was is so fucking gone. I'm thinking just fucking cut the whole carpet out and just throw it as the seats. Maybe get some seat covers. I don't know, but... Damn, bro. That shit stunk. Go get a little can of TurtleWax cleaner. Get those smells. Hopefully none of it leaks out to this little gap right here. Because you can see it back there. You can see it smoking up. Dang. Hopefully that gets rid of all the smell. Doors are all shut, so hopefully still going. This thing's pretty neat. I also started putting the vehicle back together, got the belts back on it and shit like that. Yeah, still going. Damn, bro, I'll get rid of all the smell. It's like somebody fucking hotboxing that bitch. Door shut. Yeah, it is. Really? Dude, that's fucking lit. I don't see any back here. Oh yeah, there is some. I can't turn on the AC because guess what? The car doesn't. I mean, it does run, but barely. It's still going. Dang, bro, how long does this thing last? Holy crap! This little can. It smells pretty good too. Damn, bro. All right, I'll update the results in like 30 minutes whenever it's set. Open the fucking doors. Kind of really didn't do much these past few days. I cut the entire front bumper off because it was just all ruined. Also, I had to get new impact because these stupid fucking bastards right here put a fucking hole in my other one. So I'm like, oh, well, that's great, thanks. A lot of dogs barking today. I don't know why. But I got a plan designed that I'm thinking about doing. I'm probably going to cut this entire front section off too, where this masking tape is, just because this corner is so beat out of proportions and there's no way I can get that frame inward. But plan is over to the notepad. Stuff that needs done. I don't ignore that. So I'm thinking stretch tower, kind of come out, elbow, flat, elbow. And that'd be up here where these two black areas are. And probably just put like a little plate there, 2 inch by 2 inch, then a pipe that comes out, and then rebuild the front end like a giant hoop. I don't know why I have to keep focusing, man. Autofocus! Oh my lord, there. And then, wow, this autofocus sucks. We'll see how long it takes to focus. Way too long. And then here's the front end. I'd probably just build a little bracket that goes down with the radiator to sit on and the condenser to sit on. And then I have to rebuild the area for the battery to go. Dude, I have to manually focus. This sucks. And then I'll have to rebuild an area for the ABS module to go. And I don't know if I would have the top pipe come out and then another pipe come out, like, down beneath it to come out down. Come down to, like, right here. And then come across and go back up underneath it to help support it. Or what, but I'm thinking doing the top hoop first. And then kind of just improvising, basically. Just get some sheet metal to rebuild the, whatever, the wheel well. Nice autofocus. And then have some thicker metal to put the ABS module on and set the battery on. And it's really just kind of just a giant game of improvising. Maybe also, the oil pan's there, never mind. I was thinking maybe with that cross member right there, I could have a pipe come out and then up to help support it. But I don't know. I went and priced things around. And if you guys don't know, I'm broke. I spent all my money on this car. So, piping, 27 bucks, 20 bucks, 23 bucks, 12 bucks. Probably like $70 worth of equipment. But another thing is my welder is flux core. So if you guys don't like flux core welding, I'm sorry, but it's gonna get ugly. But I don't know. I'm thinking just pipe here that comes out and down, and then would be the main support one. Or maybe try attaching it down here to the frame area, build like a little piece of metal over it. But then what would I do on this side? This frame's completely gone, you know? It's kind of just go with the flow, I guess. Kind of just gotta improvise, but motor, I don't know. Last time I started it, it sounded pretty rough, but I'm guessing it's good. And then after we'll get the front end basically done, I'll get the control arm, sway bar, tie rod, because that tie rod turns out ain't supposed to be bent like an L. And then gotta get the tire aired up on this side, and I think that'd be it. After that, I could take it for a test drive, but I'm thinking just cut it right here where this tape line is, and then improvise. A lot of improvising. I get paid, I don't know when, sometime, but coming along nicely. Also, the interior smell is gone, so that's good.